Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs offline on iPhone. So basically, in order to use your Google Docs offline, even when you don't have Wi-Fi, then here's how you can do that. So it's really easy, just open the Google Docs app over on your phone, and this can also be working over on the desktop version, it's completely the same. Just follow what I'm doing. So go to your docs you want to use offline, and then next to that name of the docs you will find those three little dots where you can click on, and the second you have clicked on that you will find make available offline. Once you've done that, it will basically download everything over on your device and it will be available offline. So when I now basically disable my Wi-Fi and then I basically reopen Google Docs, you will notice that I will basically still be able to use this Google Docs even though I don't have Wi-Fi. And that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.